Hello friends, my name is Samuel Vasudevan. Register number UR15CS067, and this is my experiment number 9 of networking lab, where I will be explaining you about IP version 6, that is Internet Protocol version 6. So in this experiment, my aim is to configure IPv6 addresses for the given topology. So let's understand this with the help of Cisco Packet Tracer. So here you can see this is my topology. Here there are 3 LAN networks and 2 WAN networks, and I have assigned each and every end devices and the routers with some IP addresses. So what is the main advantage of IPv6? As you all know, in IPv4, that is Internet Protocol version 4, it uses 32-bit, okay, and then IP address in that has 32-bit and it is divided into octets, and total it is divided into 4 octets. Then it is represented in decimal, so it can have value from 0 to 9. But IPv4 has a limited amount of IP addresses, that is, in that 32-bit our IP addresses should be there. But in IPv6, that is Internet Protocol version 6, what advantage we have, that it is of 128 bits and it is divided into hex states. So these many more number of IP addresses we can assign in IP version 6 if we use this protocol. So what we are going to do is we are going to understand this experiment. So as you can see here, I have given some IP address here and the subnet mask, that is 2001 db8 1.1. subnet mask, that is 64. So like this, I have given IP addresses to each and every network. So, and let's see the configuration of the router. To configure the router, we have to give certain commands. For the shortage of time, I have already configured this router. Here first we have to do the enable, then config T, then it will ask the configuration commands, then interface gigabit 0/0, then IPv6 address from where you have to do the pinging, that is 2001.db8.1.1 and /64, then IPv6 unicast routing. So let's see how the pinging works. So let's take from here to here, and it's showing successful. It means our pinging was successful. Let's again do this. Let's do it from here to here, and again it's showing successful. So the main advantage of IPv6 over IPv4 is that in IPv6 we can use many number of IP addresses compared to IPv4. So hope you all understood the concept of IPv6. Thank you for watching my video.